Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you all? After a long time we are meeting each other, right? I really apologize I was unable to upload the videos in the last week due to certain work. But no worries, now I'll regularly upload the videos. Okay? So today let's learn about our first program in Java. In the last videos, we have seen certain features of Java. So let's today write our first program. Okay. So I'm using Eclipse IDE for the Java program. You can install it from the Google Chrome browser. We'll go to new. So let's first learn how to write Java program in Eclipse IDE. We'll go to new under file, and after new we'll click on Java project. Let's give our project name as my first program. Okay. After that, no need to click anywhere. We'll go to next. Here as well, nothing to change. Simply click on finish. There you go. Our first programs Java, that is our first Java project, is created. So this is our source folder. So we will right click in this source folder. We'll click on new and then we will go to class. Okay. So, most of our favorite game is cricket, right? And recently, we are the winners of Champions Trophy. India has won their third title of Champions Trophy, defeating the Kiwis, that is New Zealand. Okay, so let's, in behalf of that, let's write our first program. So we will give the package name as Champions Trophy. And we are giving our class name as cricket. Okay, then we'll click on this public static void main string args. What is it? Now we are going to say it. No need to click on these constructors from superclass for now, because in our first program we are not going to use the objects. Okay, we will study about this in depth in the upcoming parts. First of all, in our first program we will click on this public static void main string args. We will check mark this box. After that, click on finish. There you go. Our first class is created. Okay, so now what do you mean by this package? Package means it groups the functions and class. It groups the methods and class. Okay. Suppose our, suppose we are giving a package company. Now it's a company name. Suppose we are giving package Microsoft. So inside Microsoft package, what are the classes we will have? We will have the classes such as our Excel and all the Office 365 products. Okay, so we will have certain classes under Microsoft package. So Microsoft itself is a package of certain applications. So package means it groups our functions and class. Okay, so let's see, here we have created the package name as Champions Trophy. So we can say that inside Champions Trophy we will have classes for all our countries who were involved in this game. Okay, so now for now I have given my class name as cricket in order to pull up your interest. Okay, so now package name is Champions Trophy. We created a package. Inside package we created a class whose name is cricket. Now inside, so what, now you tell me, what is a class? Class is a logical template. It is useful for grouping and unifying the similar functions. It is the collection of similar types of function. There may be many functions inside a class. So it can be public, it can be private. We will see the private, public, about the access modifiers in the upcoming videos. So in a simple term, we have created a package which groups the functions and class, and we have created a class which is a logical template. And we know that class does not acquire memory in the computer. Okay, class does not acquire memory in the computer. But when we create objects inside class, then objects occupy memory in the computer. Okay, so we will learn about that in depth, nothing to worry. So we have public class cricket. Okay, after that we will open our curly braces, and then next statement which we have mentioned is public static void main string args. Now what is public static void main? What do you mean by that? When we talk about public, public is an access modifier, and which means that it can be accessed anywhere. Okay, now what is a void? What do you mean by the keyword void? Void is a data type, which means that our main function, that is main, and after void I have mentioned as main. So main is a function, it's a method which will not return us any data. Like it will return its data type, it will return is void. It is null. That is void. Void means it means it will not return any value after being called. Okay, it will not return us any value after being called. That is called as void. Understood? So whenever a function returns any value, this keyword defines what type of value it to return. Whenever we mentioned any, like in place of void, if I mention int or if I mention some other kinds of data type, that means the method will return us any kind of value. As I have mentioned void, it will not return us any value after being called. That is called as void. Okay. After that, static. Why I have mentioned static? Static is mentioned because static makes this program possible to run without creating an object for the class. If I disassociate any function from an object of a class, means it has nothing to do with the objects of the class. So it can be used as an independent function and reside inside the class. That's why the static is mentioned. Okay. After that, what is string args? String args is it's an argument, it's a predefined class. Okay, about which we will learn in our upcoming videos. We will study in our upcoming videos. Okay, so this is about the statement that is public static void main string args. Okay, after that, this is a command line. Whenever we mention two slashes in the beginning of the statement, it means that it's a command line and this line will not be executed. Okay. So for now we will rub this line, and in place of it we will write our output statement. So what is the output statement? We will write system dot out dot print ln, and inside the what we are going to show our output, that we are the winners. We are the winners of Champions Trophy 2025, defeating Kiwis. Okay, but however, New Zealand is also a very good team, very gentle team, but we are the winners of 2025 because of course India has won in a great way and played in a great way in the entire tournament. It's the hard work of all of our players, right? So we are the winners. We'll show this as the output. Okay, then we will put the semicolon, and then because without semicolon this will throw us the error. See, I remove the semicolon, it is showing us the error over here. And what is the error? Multiple markers at line syntax error. So this is a profit of using Eclipse IDE, because when we use Eclipse IDE as our workspace for Java program, it identifies the error and also it gives us the marks at what error we have made and how to rectify it. Why it does like this? Because Java is an interpreter language, and this line will not run if I won't rectify the error in this line. This line will run only if I rectify the error in this line. Okay, so I rectified the error by putting my semicolon, and this is the output statement. So what is system.out.println? This is the output statement. This is the body of our method, body of our main method. Okay, we have mentioned this public static void main string args. This is the body of our method. From here, the program will start executing. Okay, so when we talk about system.out.println, it's the output statement which will give us the output that we are the winners of CT 2025 defeating Kiwis. So now when we talk about this system.out.println, this is also predefined already in the Java library, about which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. So this was just the basic programs in order to know about Eclipse IDE, the basic functionalities of Eclipse IDE, and the basic functionalities of package, class, public static void main statement, system.out, that is output statement. Okay, so let's run this program now. So how to run this program? We'll click on run and we will click here. Let's click on OK. So there you go. We got our output that we are the winners of CT 2025 defeating Kiwis. Okay. So this was all about our basic structure of a Java program, and regarding the more details we will learn in our upcoming videos. If you have any queries related to any of the things of computer, you can simply comment me in the comment section, and also you can DM me in the Instagram channel which I have mentioned over the description. Okay, so let's meet in our next video very soon. Till then, have a healthy days, good days, and really a very happy Holi to all of you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.